Our question this week is about young orange trees. Should you remove some of the fruit? Brooke's orange tree is about 2 years old and was given to her by a friend who'd grown it in a container. Brooke planted the tree in the ground in March and it started to produce fruit. Because the tree was so small, she removed 4 oranges from the top branch in late summer. Well, Brooke, removing the fruit from young trees is indeed a good practice. Young trees have fewer leaves to photosynthesize and will be better off long-term if they're allowed to focus on their own growth and development before expending precious resources on the next potential generation. Also, the fruit can become very heavy, putting a strain on thin, underdeveloped branches. But leaving a few fruits won't completely decimate the tree, so it's really a judgment call. I'm not sure which cultivar this is, but most citrus are not frost tolerant, so you should be prepared to protect this tree, since it's in the ground, from any temperatures in the 40s or below. Cover with a sheet or blanket overnight if there's any threat of frost, removing the next day if the temps are warm enough, so that the plant can breathe and get some air circulation. And sometimes we just have to stop and share the viewer photos. Travis Bowers sent us this picture of a beautiful canna that his mom, Evelyn McMurray, is growing in Burnet. In Gerald, Gretchen grabbed this fabulous shot of a Gulf Fritillary butterfly as it emerged from the chrysalis. Kesha and David in College Station captured this gorgeous image of a hummingbird sipping nectar on a black and blue salvia, a cultivar of Salvia guaranitica. This salvia is listed as perennial, but it's hardy to zone 7, so it may be deciduous in many southern gardens. To freshen for new growth, simply remove brown stalks at the base in late winter. Hummingbirds love to shower too, so Anna's solar fountain in a bird bath is a neighborhood hit. Robert's native rock rose, Pavonia lasiopetala, is attracting hummingbirds along with butterflies and moths. In late spring, just before new growth emerges, trim these plants back to promote lush growth next year. After each bloom cycle, trim back slightly to encourage more blooms and to keep the plant from producing seeds, which will begin to pop up all over your garden if allowed to drop to the ground. Birds of all kinds, including cardinals, appreciate Brandon's small container pond. Birds, like all wildlife, are attracted to the sound of water. Brandon's even growing water lilies where dragonflies can perch. And Charles lucked into a daylily that bloomed in August. That's the great thing about daylilies. There are cultivars that bloom at different times of the year, including rebloomers. We'd love to hear from you. Visit centraltexasgardener.org to send us your questions, pictures, and videos.